Are you looking for high frequency spindles for your machining applications that deliver high precision, high speed and reliability? I'm Yogesh Sahdev, Director of Capital Spindles India Pvt Ltd. For the past 33 years, we have been designing and manufacturing high frequency spindles. In these 33 years, we have supplied 4,300 plus high frequency spindles to over 1,200 clients, and we export to 34 countries worldwide. Our spindles deliver the same precision, accuracy and high performance as the leading German and Italian brands, but we make them smarter, faster and more affordable. Now think about this. If you choose the wrong spindles, your machine's performance can drop, downtime increases, production slows down, and both your time and money get wasted. That's exactly why our strength lies in indigenous technology. We design and manufacture our own high frequency motors and customize every spindle as per the customer's application requirement. Whether you need high torque at low speed or high speed with lower torque, we design each spindle specifically for your job, ensuring world-class accuracy and reliability. Recently, one of our clients who earlier imported 60 plus high frequency spindles every year switched to us and saved $410,000 in just 1 year. Where German spindles deliveries take 5 to 6 months, we deliver in just 5 to 6 weeks. Because of this faster turnaround, their machine output increased. They were earlier able to sell 44 machines in a year, and now they sell 68 machines a year. Their turnover jumped from $3.8 million to $5.2 million simply because their machines were delivered faster. They met deadlines on time and their sales increased. This is the reason leading machine manufacturers across the world choose us. If you want global grade performance with faster turnaround and want your machine to always perform at their best, call us now on the below number and our experts will connect with you immediately and guide you with the best solution for your requirements. Thank you.